Hey guys, be updated with your updated technology. In this video, we are going to discuss some more about the Scratch. So I'm going to open my Scratch account. If you have signed in, of course you can open and you can open some steps what you have created already. So here, how to create the patterns that I have changed here, have done. You can see here, just you can see here, able to make patterns. It's really wonderful. You can make in few seconds, and I will explain some more about this all code blocks that all. So I think this will be wonderful for you and great experience. And I'll always say that please, like you must uh, first let's open this new project. You must practice be perfect. So I have here one part, and I'm going to change here backdrop. So backdrop, you have to select the one backdrop. So I have selected the slide backdrop. And now by default, by sprite, this characters is in 00. So here you can find here 00. So I'm going to show here. Here it's a x and y axis, and these are 00. You can make it 00. Okay, so here you can make 00 so that it will be in center. And and now I will just how to make the triangle, that all I will teach. Okay, so today we'll discuss all in this. So obviously we need control. And but before that, I would like to go with the events. Here is, of course, we would like to start with this start button as a flag. Okay, so right. So okay, so here start button, and this is start button. Go and green, so it's a green flag. uh Now I like to go with some, like if you want to make the strips or make the copy. So first, here we have to go with the extension. I told you I will talk about the extension here. So this is add extensions. You can find at the um, right bottom corner here. So here, this is add extension. When you click it here, you can find here numbers of extensions, like here pen and music videos. This all you can practice later. We will work on this also. So I would like to go with this pen first. And when you'll do the pen first, here you can find here some more, like here is it is all stamps, so that you can find here, so that you here for you. So now okay, so erase all whatever you do, but I'm going to define here the step. So stamp means, okay, so first I would like to go with the motion. Move this, move move 10 steps. When you do the move 10 steps with the stamp, means it's make the copy itself. Here when you do, then it's when you like this, when you do, it's make the copy. Okay, so it's making copy. So and uh, it's a continuously. But here we have pen. In this pen we have here eraser. Okay, erase all. So erase all. When you do erase all, and you can use the loop as well as. Okay, well, so when you do this, is erased. Here it's erased. So it's erase and make copy. So and when you do this erase, that also can be, it's copy stamp is make a copy of sprite. So I'm going to this and now I would like to go with this pen down. It helps to define or draw the line of it. So when you do this, make the steps. It's person. Yeah, and I think this here we can find this, but like pen down. I think it is better to it's erase and done, so erase. So let's, I'm going to use the control so that you can repeat it. So let, okay, now here it's erased. Okay, sorry, first it's erased, then again it's draw the line. Suppose let's, here the previous erase. So in this way you can, and here if you wish you can make here some motions with the tone. Okay, so as well as, so now let's do this. So it's turning, here it's turning. So but let's make, and here is the repeat 10 steps, so it's repeating half only, up to the 10 steps. So if you do here, like okay, let's this repeats 100. See, let's see here. So you can do like that. So here let's it's 50 here thing. Okay, and if you want to make its big circle, then just you have to increase the move steps. So here let's, I'm going to make here 20, and you can see the effects, the big. Okay, so you can make here, it helps to make the circle, but you have to make sure that this sprite should be in the middle if you want to make a circle in the middle. So for that you can just here give 0 0 in sprite place in stage, and now let's run it, and you can find it as a circle. Well, so and another from the circle. Okay, so it's from the centers, from the, and you can make like circle some more, and okay, so now some more you can do like well, so it's a circle, and how to make the triangle or rectangle or a square. First let's do the square. For squares we have to repeat not the 50 times, we have to repeat only 4 times, because in square should be only 4 sides, and steps, okay, 20, it's no matter, and this angle should be as drawn, degree should be as a 90. And then let's see how does it work, and as you can, you can increase the move steps, so that you can make it bigger. Here, see here, and even you can make, how does it, you can just make the one weight. So here you can just go with the control, and here you can find the weight second. So if you do like this, then it's 1 turn, it will show like it's 1 turn, 1 second. Yeah, like this. Or you can this second, you can decrease this second if you wish, like 0.2, or maybe, yes, let's see, yes, it's working. And even you can make this colorful as well, as if you wish you can change the color. So for that you just click at here the pen, and then here you can find the pen color, and change color of a pen color. So just you can use this also, or let's change that first. And okay, so let's see how does it work. See here, it's a colorful, really it's wonderful. Yeah, it's with a different color. So you can make like this. Even you can make the rectangle, for like rectangle. For the rectangle shapes, we have to like, this is square, and for rectangle you can change some two uh, sides, different. So it's a 2 2, so it's, let's make the two shapes, and then, well, so it's also 90-degree, let's see. And but you have to repeat these steps some more, so that, yeah, I think that could be repeatedly. uh, so let's, I'm going to make it here repeat, so that you can see on, or let's we can make the triangle first. For triangle just make it 4, and for triangle you have to make here 120, because a whole circle has 360. If you'll divide that 360 into 3 parts, it's 120. and let's see how does it looks like. Okay, yeah, it's a pretty good. Yes, like this also. And if you want to make the hexagon like let's see, 6 means 360 divided by 6 means 60. Okay, so angle should be 60, and it's makes like this hexagon. Here it's hexagon, so you can make it like this. So it's really wonderful, not only the patterns. So now let's make the create this up to many times repeatedly the circles. So you have to say it. Let's it is bigger, so let's make it little 80 maybe. Yeah, I think this quite pretty. And now after this you have to repeatedly you have to move these repetitions. Okay, so for let's we need one more controller. So controller, let's I would like to go controller, and this controller let's make here 10 times. Okay, first let's 10 times, then later on we can increase. But here when you do the 10 times, yeah, I think we have to make here one um, angles, because it's repeatedly repeating on the same figures. So here is no more changes. For this you can add here one more motion, so that you can change the degree of, so that it's repeat one after another. So it's after this repeat after one hexagon, like slightly will be changed the place positions, and it will work. But before, you have to make sure that your sprite position should be in center, that 0 0. Okay, so that 0 0. And let's start. I think it's work, but it's 10 time. Yeah, it's that hexagon will be 10 hexagons will be the first. Okay, so repeatedly it's making the 10 hexagons this. And you can increase the hexagon some more times. There is 10 hexagons are already, so here if you increase like 50 hexagons or 100 hexagons, now it's and you can increase the like speed as well as. So let's, I'm going to make here 0.05 maybe. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, it's making its wonderful pattern. See here, it's one of the simplest way you can do this all codings. Here these all codings are easy. Yeah, so you can enjoy like this, and but you have to shape it. Please enjoy.